The reason is that this is a tool which is going to change the scenario and improve the economy of the country. There are many things which most of us never knew. That drone industry was existing for a long time, but it was with unorganized hands, and people could fly the drones anywhere without knowing the security hazards which it could create, many other things which are creating a lot of problems, and people are making money but were not being guided properly. Now, what the government of India has done is that they have streamlined everything. There were approximately 26 forms which you need to fill it up to get a drone acknowledged by Government of India or Ministry of Civil Aviation, and now it has been reduced to nearly 5 or 6 forms. The drone usage has been into, you just name for the purpose which you want to use it and you can use it. The most important is into the agriculture. So its usage for pesticide, its usage for fencing, its usage for just name on the agriculture part. Now coming down to the other things, we have used these ones for COVID-19 for such areas where the medical aid was not possible, to a very ugly terrain.
For regular student, it is just 5 days, 3 days of theory and 2 days of complete flying, drone and hands-on experience flying.
And we have one of the programs, and when we are training the people for drone pilot, if a person or a girl is doing well, then we recommend this name for training the trainer. There itself.
How many you intend to train by next year?
Intend to train pilots or train the trainers?
These pilots.
We are wishes 6,000 pilots a year at least.
Because the market is opening up, see, there are a lot of applications that are also going to open up for drones, and that many pilots are going to be required. In fact, we are going to connect and tie up with a few HR agencies also, because a lot of them are recruiting pilots now. So we are in that process too. And we also have Connect in Bangalore, who is actively recruiting drone pilots. So our aim is to train not only pilots right now for the small category drone, we are also looking at introducing a lot more courses on the medium category, large category, and hopefully even the transport category of drone shortly. So let's see, it all depends.
And what is the fees for this course?
What is the
Fees.
You see, fees, as I'm talking to, we are charging 65 right now. Okay?
65,000.
Plus the GST. But these fees are going to be coming down because, and I would also like to tell you that when I say 5 days, it doesn't mean that mandatory. We have other processes which we are going to establish, in which if the person wants to do his ground training from home, we will try and cover that at the ground. Only for practical training, we will take them to the field. Okay, because that is not can't be done, sitting at home.
Where in Goa is your green zone where you will be having the training
We are
academy?
considering 3 or 4 places right now. So we have got some important meetings tomorrow to identify, because Goa is a defense airport, a lot of defense establishments are there in the coastal area. So we are identifying the green zones, as Captain Paramjit Singh said, on the Niji Sky.